Yo, what up, it's your boy, Mr. Lex, live. You don't know, this is Yardbus TV. Yo, what's good? Yo, what's really good?
Straight back to Jamaica. A lion skin. Anyway, back again. Gunshot in the head back, yeah. You know it's my father, gangster, Baba. Anyway, you let them know this. What? Tell them they ain't the real McCoy. Them are just some baby boy. New enough time for chat boy. Running away and prepare for shot boy. Sit down and breathe. Sometimes I wonder if every tone when we step out we not step back. And if we never smoke weed and not smoke grass and every tone ready now. How them around town? Hey, New Balance. Long a dream weekend them a fret. Some of them a get turn up in a sun and in a rain. Them a wet them so what them a do when the boy a step father. Left them crap. Me say mad made sick. Where the tone? Mad made sick. Any boy this tonight are dead quick. A gunshot in a the head make them head split. Body drop when the chat take kick. Lucky the police them intercept quick. When the police driving at the scene and hey rebel tone, you think of Flintstone? Put a high piece money gun, shot turn up Mataran. Credit selector them dead in a the line. You make rebel tone get over.
Mama starting up.
Hey, rebel tone don't apologize to no sound boy. This rebel tone make a judgment your boy. Even the one I
No stress.